there, in today's video, we are going to find the best way to fix your posture once and for all. So before we get into the best way, let's review what good posture looks like. To get good posture, we don't want to be like this, okay? We want to be upright. And to get upright, let's first brace our abdomen by trying to press our belly button into our spine, and you're activating your abdominal muscles to do that, and that protects your back and gets you into a good position. Then you want to use the muscles in between your shoulder blades and tuck those shoulder blades or those wings into your back pocket, and that helps to raise your sternum up, but it also helps to bring your rounded shoulders back without being a military person, okay? And then finally, we want to tuck our chin, okay? So we're gonna, instead of being out like this, we're gonna tuck our chin so that our ear lines up with our shoulder. So we have a brace abdomen, we have our wings tucked, and we have our chin tucked. Now you're in a good posture position. I will move in a profile position, okay? So we're not like this. Our abdomen's braced, our wings are tucked, and our chin is tucked, okay? All right, so now on to the best way to fix your posture, and that is to use cues or a timer throughout the day. Those are it's two best ways, but you get two for the price of one here, which is free, but anyway. So to use a timer, I would set your timer for every 20 minutes, and if you're watching this on your phone or on your computer, both of them have timers kind of built into the program. So you have one there, or use your microwave, or use an old-fashioned kitchen timer, set it for 20 minutes, and just see where you are. You can even set it for random times, like 17 minutes one time, 25 minutes the other time. I would keep it between 15 and 30 minutes though, and just see where you are after that time period, and you'll be surprised. I mean, I'm surprised sometimes, even though I've been teaching this for over 20 years. The next thing, as far as cues go, sometimes you can use cues, like whenever you open a door, you check your posture. When I'm driving, I often use cues like the stop lights or the stop signs. When I get to them, I check my posture to see if I haven't gotten forward head. Driving really promotes a forward head posture, so I straighten myself back up and brace my abdomen. So those are examples. Sometimes opening the refrigerator, you can tighten your abdomen, and that helps. That's a cue. So if you get into a habit of checking your posture whenever you open the refrigerator door or get to a stoplight or walk through a door, little things like that, check your posture, and the timer too. So that is the best way to fix your posture, because doing it regularly, your body starts to realize that, hey, this feels pretty good to be like this. And when you aren't that way, your muscles start to complain. At least mine does. It says, hey, this isn't right. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you learned something, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to hear more like this, please subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss anything. Anyway, thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.